This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove Messenger message button from a Facebook page. By default, anyone will be able to easily message to your Facebook page. And if you want to turn off the send message option, follow these easy steps. First of all, we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon and select the Facebook page. And now tap on menu, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings and here scroll down. Under audience and visibility section, you will find how people find and contact you. Tap on that. And here you will get this messaging option. Allow people and pages to message your page. If it's enabled, anyone will be able to message to your Facebook page. So all you have to do is just disable this option, and after that the Messenger message button will be removed from your Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. Thank you for watching.